So here I got the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback GT Line Turbo. Check out those cool amber LED daytime running lights with your LED headlights. The exterior color is called sparkling yellow. The color pops. You also get the gloss black painted trim around the vehicle. Adds a cool, like glossy touch to the car. You get 18-inch gloss black rims with Kumho tires that are very grippy on dry days like this. You also get a full LED taillight. The rear reverse light is right there on the bottom of the bumper. You also get rear parking sensors, a nice spoiler. Now let's open the rear hatch. You got the privacy cover right here. You got a full-size spare. It's a nice black Kia carpet cover. Gotta shut the tailgate manually. The rear door handle is right here on top. You got a nice black and white vinyl interior. You get a decent amount of foot space. I'm 6 foot. You get rear air vents, USB-C ports. You got your little compartment that goes down for 2 cups. And you get space for a full-size car seat. You also get a black headliner with your sunroof. You know, it's bigger than a sunroof, so it's like half panel roof and sunroof, if I'm not mistaken. You get keyless entry. You also get memory seats. So when you get in the car, they move back. And then when you get in the car, they go forward to the last position that the seats are in. You got your start and stop button right here. Now we're going to put the car in sport. Turn traction control off. You also get cameras, so on the mirrors there's a little camera. When you turn left or right, they turn on. That's very helpful. That adds extra safety to the vehicle. Now let's go for a drive. The car does have 190 horsepower and 195 foot-pound of torque. Not bad for a Kia, you know, for the engine that it has. I think it's pretty good. This car is also like the Marvel movie edition, if I'm not mistaken. So you get these cool like little figures, and when you turn on the car or turn off, the Marvel sign pops up. But you can watch YouTube, you know, Amazon. You get wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, all the good stuff. For $32,000, you get a lot of stuff. Honestly, you get more stuff than your Toyota Corolla Cross for the price point, in my opinion. So driving the car in sport mode, the steering wheel gets more stiff, more responsive throttle, and like quicker shifts. So if you get distracted and the car in front of you leaves, the car will warn you, like a little indicator right here on your infotainment screen, that the car in front of you has left. You also get auto hold, so you can turn it off or turn it on. That keeps the car in its place. So if you're in a stoplight or traffic, you don't have to hold the brake the whole time. So that's a helpful feature. So the climate control right here, it's kind of hidden. So it depends how you sit in your seat. You might cut off the screen a little bit. So you got to turn your head around and see what you're doing. And there's different modes and screens to choose from. So if you put a normal mode, the screens go back to white and like amber orange. You put in sport mode, it turns red. You can also change the screen how you want it to the settings. You also get steering wheel assist, lane keep assist, all the safety features. I like the steering wheel too because it's like a two-tone. You got black leather with white leather right here, and your airbag is white with the silver Kia logos. You also get the Harman Kardon sound system. No auto-dimming mirror, just a manual one, but still works. You get LED interior lighting. So, and you also get ambient lighting, which it's really hard to see right now, but it's multicolor, so you can change it different colors, and it's very bright at night. Adds like a luxury touch to the vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV drive on the new 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback GT Line Turbo. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and God bless.